In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this worm animation. We'll use Metaballs for the ground. Let's create a sphere, and type R, Y, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the Y axis. Type S and X to scale on the X axis. I'll create a curve point, press the 3D button, and type E to extrude like this. Type A as in alpha, V as in Victor, and A as in alpha to smooth the curve. Once we add a curve modifier, then we can move the worm object on the curve like this. Let's use Metaballs. I'll set the last frame to 30, and set a new keyframe on the first frame. After that I'll go to frame 30, move the worm mesh, and set a new keyframe. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.